Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Just making a quick drop in. I made this delicious lemon pepper salmon and I wanted to share it with y'all because it's so easy to make and simple. I ate it with this salad right here, which is my favorite low calorie, healthy salad that I make at least once a week. And I just wanted to show y'all my dinner. So I'm going to season this salmon with a little oil because I am going to put it in the air fryer. I'm only using my spice, which is It's Lit lemon pepper. And if you don't have this in your house, I don't know what's going on. I did sell out. However, Spicy Girl and It's Lit lemon pepper is now in stock. You want to put it all over the salmon, everywhere. Don't leave any spots out. You don't need any salt. You don't need nothing else. If you don't believe me, ask the people in the comments and everybody else that purchased from me. You want to brush it, get it everywhere. You can use your hands, but I didn't feel like getting messy, so I used the brush. And this is how it looks. And look how delicious this looks. It's not even cooked yet. So I'm going to show y'all the salad real quick. All right, so a little bit about the salad. Don't start with me, y'all, because this is not a salad video. It got chickpeas, cucumbers, carrots, bell peppers, scallions, cilantro, lettuce. It's just a bowl of goodness. And I made a salad dressing to go with it, but you can use whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. So now I got my salmon in the air fryer. I'm going to put it in here for about 8 minutes or so, but you can cook yours to however long you want. I'm cooking it on 370 for 8 minutes, exactly 8 minutes, and this is how it comes out. Look how beautiful this is. Don't judge my air fryer. I just created another video and I cooked something else in here. Don't talk about me, okay? Don't y'all start. So I know someone might be like, 8 minutes, that's not enough. The thing is, a lot of people cook their proteins cold. Do not put your salmon in the air fryer cold. Your chicken, anything. Salmon and any kind of fish is very easy to cook. So you don't need to cook it forever. 8 minutes is all I do on 370. High heat, low on the time, and you're good to go. This is what the salad looks like. I just eat it with a chip here and there sometimes. I love blue chips. They taste better to me. But the salad is so refreshing and delicious and filling and nutritious. So yeah, this is pretty much it for dinner tonight. And as you can see, my salmon is not overcooked and it has beautiful color. Again, why is that? High heat, low amount of time, okay? It's juicy. Look how juicy this is. No edits, no cuts, no razzle dazzle, no nothing. Look how juicy this is. 370, 8 minutes, room temperature salmon. It's Lit lemon pepper, a little oil. I actually use melted coconut oil, but use the oil you prefer, or olive oil, any oil. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.